Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This short video today. Got something in the mail today. Actually, got it here. So, not too sure. I have an idea what I think it is. Ordered a couple of things lately. It's either the front grille for the G37 or the grille for the G35. So, excited to see what this is. Today is actually my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Yes. But little birthday present for us, for me, and you guys too. So let's open her up and see what we got. Up. See what it says. Box cutter. All right. So. Open this up. Yeah, well, didn't really tell you guys yet what I plan on doing with the G35, but I actually want to do something cool. Shout out to I forgot the page name. Pardon me, guys. I'll link on the bottom. The channel. Guy from Cali. Does everything with G35s and VQs. They did a cool, sick ass VQ G37 to G35 front end conversion. Well, G35 to G37 front end conversion for the car, and gave me some dope ideas. I want to do a little different. I'm still trying to plot it out and see if we can actually do it. But I wasn't about to go crazy ordering parts, front end parts for the G35, and even some for the G37, but I didn't want to get carried away because we might be doing that conversion. So just want to jazz it up a little bit. A lot of people, they like the G35 front end grille with the Fendi logo on the front. I'm not one of the people. It's not bad. Some people black it out. I really just like the match grill in the front, so I like doing that. So that was my kind of go-to, and I was going to kind of deck it out like I did the other G35. But when I seen the conversion, I was like, oh, that's crazy. And lucky for me, I can save some money on parts as well because I actually had the G35 and the G37 on top of that. So, let's see what this is. I think this is the. Sorry, I'm trying to open this box. Alright. We got some packaging popcorn in here. I don't want to make a super duper mess. Alright. The trick is, right, is keeping all the packaging popcorn inside the box. I got some spillage. Yep. I think this is the I think this is for the G35. Let's open this up. So yeah, I think this is actually. It's actually for the G35, right? And now I'm looking at this. This is actually supposed to be. It's actually supposed to be carbon fiber. You know what? Maybe it wasn't. I think what I did is when I ordered this, I think I didn't get the carbon fiber. I was trying to save a little money because we are going to do the front end conversion kit for this. So what I think I actually did is I might have ordered just a regular plastic one, and so this is cool because this is actually almost the same color as the car. I didn't drive the car today. I actually switched cars. I actually was going to drive it today, but I was rushing and I didn't switch the car back. So we could have actually went outside and took a look and see how color matches is with that. But now I'm looking at it. I'm thinking about even I spray paint this matte black. But we can actually do the install for this in another video. I'll do the install, but I did want to open it up for you guys to see what we got. I was excited to see what it is. I am expecting a grill for the G37 as well, so that should be coming soon too. And I might even do both grills for both videos. Let's see how I give you an installation of how to do it too. I put this on the other G35 I had, because I actually, when I got the car, the owner had this front grill and he had the actual the stock one with the Infinity emblem in the front. I actually still have that grill too. So if anybody want that grill, needs replacement, I'll sell it to you cheap. Don't worry about it. I actually don't want it. So I'll give it up for little or no money really. Just hit me up, leave a comment, and I'll definitely send it out to you. But yeah, definitely what I wanted. I wish it was carbon fiber, but I actually think that, oh, you know what? I actually have carbon fiber wrap left. We can actually wrap this in carbon fiber, guys. That might be better. That might be better. Now instead of me spraying it black. We'll see. Could I actually do a video where we can, when I vinyl it up? We might vinyl it. That might be better. So, we're good.